With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today's question is a type of choice question. So we have given 4 statements and we have to say which statement is correct. So what was given in the question? Which of the following statement is not correct? We have to find the incorrect statement. So we have to find the incorrect statement from the following options. So the first statement is formation of oxyhemoglobin is a process of oxidation. So to answer this, whether true or false, we have to know what is hemoglobin, what is oxyhemoglobin. So what is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is a respiratory pigment which is present in the blood region. It is a pigment, it acts as a respiratory pigment. How it acts as a respiratory pigment? How it acts as a respiratory pigment? It gives red color for our blood as it is called as a pigment, and it helps in respiration. That is, it binds with oxygen and it will transfer the oxygen with the help of blood to the tissues or to the cells, and it carries the carbon dioxide from there, but mainly it carries oxygen. Only few percent of carbon dioxide is carried by hemoglobin, and it carries the carbon dioxide from the blood along with plasma, and then it delivers the carbon dioxide to the alveoli, so we will expire it out. So this is happening in the oxyhemoglobin. So formation of oxyhemoglobin, that is the binding of oxygen with hemoglobin is called as oxyhemoglobin. It is the formation of oxyhemoglobin is a process of oxidation. This statement is absolutely false, because oxidation is a very separate process, because here we cannot it is a combustion like process. It is a combustion like process. So it is not we are not talking about that. We are talking about the binding of oxygen with hemoglobin in the blood. So we are not talking about the oxidation, right? So this is the false statement, that is incorrect statement. So the first statement is incorrect statement, and the second statement, that is option B, every 100 ml of oxygenated blood can deliver around 5 ml of oxygen to tissues under physiological condition, under normal physiological condition. Yes, this statement also absolutely true, because every 100 ml of oxygenated blood can deliver 5 ml of oxygen to the tissues under normal conditions. So this statement is true. And what the option C, that is statement C, says that dissociation curve is a curve between percentage saturation of hemoglobin, Hb is called as hemoglobin, with oxygen and partial pressure of oxygen. So this statement is also absolutely true. We know that dissociation curve is a graph in which we plot percentage of saturation of hemoglobin one side, and other side we will plot the partial pressure of oxygen. So this statement is also right, because dissociation curve is the graph between saturation of hemoglobin with oxygen and partial pressure of oxygen. And what the option D, that is statement D, says, high concentration of carbon dioxide activates dissociation of oxyhemoglobin is called Bohr's effect. So this statement is also absolutely correct. That is, high concentration of carbon dioxide. If carbon dioxide concentration gets higher, then automatically this oxygen which binds with hemoglobin will break. The bonding of oxygen and hemoglobin will be break, and oxygen will dissociate from the hemoglobin. This is what happens in the tissues. So carbon dioxide concentrations will be higher in the tissues, so that oxyhemoglobin will break. This is called as dissociation of oxyhemoglobin. This is also called as Bohr's effect. So if carbon dioxide is high, then automatically H plus will be high, because it transfers it is in the blood, right? So um it increases the H plus concentration and then it also increases the pH. Sorry, it decreases the pH, that is, it gives the acidic pH, because H plus concentration is increasing, then it gives the acidic pH. So automatically this dissociation of oxyhemoglobin will happen. So this is called, also called as Bohr's effect. So this is also true. So the option D, that is statement D, is also true. So which is the right answer here? That is option A is the right answer here, because option A is the right answer here, because we have asked the which of the following statement is not correct. So which of the following statement is not correct? That is, formation of oxyhemoglobin is a process of oxidation. No, it is not a process of oxidation. So this statement is only incorrect, that is false statement. So option A is the right answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.